Hi everyone, welcome to another very interesting market analysis video. In this video, we will analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for the coming Monday, and also we will see some of the stocks that you can add to your watch list for coming days. And also in the end, I will give an important psychological tip that will change the way you trade. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Before we get into the analysis, I just want to say that we are not SEBI registered analysts, so we will not be responsible for any of the losses or any of the profit that you make. So let's dive into the analysis. First we have Federal Bank. Federal Bank, as you can see, is almost trading at its all-time high. It has been taking a resistance from its all-time high, and also it has been taking a support from this trend line, and recently it took support and moving up. If you go to 1 hour time frame, what we can see, it's clearly in ascending form. It has been forming higher lows and higher highs, and also earning release is going to come, and also Bank Nifty looks good, so it can move up to its region of all-time high, and if it breaks this region also, you can get a good move. So you can keep this in your watch list. So next is Federal Bank. As you can see, Federal Bank has given a breakout and it can move up. We had discussed about Federal Bank in previous video when we discussed about IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank has given the same kind of breakout in almost 3 weeks before. Now Federal Bank can move up if it crosses this 97.15 region, and you should note that it's a weekly time frame. It will go slow and steadily, so you should hold on to the trade. So next we have Glenmark. Glenmark was continuously falling. It did consolidate and again did fall. Now it's slow and steadily moving up, and if it crosses this region, it can move further up. Okay, if you go to 1 hour time frame also, you can see a clear signs of consolidation, and if it breaks this level, it can move up. Okay, next is Havells India. Havells India was in a clear bull rally, and it did correct a little bit after forming a rounding bottom. It's going to test the all-time high again. So if it crosses this and forms a bullish pattern, you can definitely go for an intraday as well as a short swing. So you can keep this in a watch list. It's a good stock. Next we have Manapura. Manapura did break its important resistance zone, and now it's consolidating in 50-minute frame. So if it crosses above or below, you can plan for a trade. So next we have Cummins. Cummins was in a clear down rally, and now it's consolidating in this region. If you go to 1 hour time frame also, you can clearly see it. So if it breaks down, it can continue its previous trend, or if it breaks out, we'll see the price action, then only we will plan for a trade. So next is PVR. PVR was in a clear channel pattern, and now it's consolidating, so we can plan for a trade if it breaks out or break down. Similar pattern we can see in ITD Siemens. It did was in a clear channel pattern, and it was in a triangle pattern, and it did break and it moved up. Similar we'll see how it works in PVR also. So next is VDL. VDL did break from its trend line in monthly time frame, but volume is too low. We'll wait and see. 2 more weeks are left. But when we go to 1 day time frame, we can clearly see it did break from a triangle pattern, and it's going to test this level. So you can keep this in your watch list and see how it goes. Next we will see Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty looks totally bullish. As you know, it was forming big gaps and opening high. So highs are making higher highs, and all different sectors are contributing for Nifty each days, and so we'll see how people will react to HDFC Bank's result. If people react in a good way, we'll plan for a buy side after it crosses 18350. 15-minute candle crosses 18350, we'll plan for a buy side. We'll only plan for a sell trade if it crosses this level. Next we have Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also feels totally bullish, and we'll plan for a trade if it crosses this level, a 39,400. A 15-minute candle closes above this level. Again, we will see how people will react to the HDFC Bank result. We'll only plan for a sell trade if it crosses this level, which is too far. So if it opens gap down, it will consolidate in this region. So if it opens flat, it may cross this directly, or may have a resistance in this region and crosses. But if HDFC Bank result people react good, it will directly cross and go to far new levels.
So hope you enjoyed this analysis. Now the psychological tip that I want to give you is try to accept the risk that you are taking. It may sound cliche to some of you, but it's actually true that most of the traders don't accept their risk. Think like this: if your strategy works 60% or 70% of time, which means that 40% or 30% of time your stop loss may hit. Every trade has its own risk, and if you start accepting that risk, you will become better traders. Before concluding, if you don't have Angel One account, we have given link in the description. So if you open the Demat account with that link, you will get a lot of benefits including cashback. And if you still don't know about our community, we have given instant Telegram link. And let me make this point clear: in our community, people don't wait for calls or tips. We want to become self-efficient traders and better investors each and every day. So see you in the next video. Bye.